Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the StupidCoin. Now the StupidCoin is trending number 9 right now on DEX Screener in the Solana section. This is a very popular meme coin that has a 24-hour trading volume of $207.9 million right now. And this token just got listed on some central exchanges as well. And we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token has been doing a good job of promoting themselves. They have the marketing boost. It says 100 lightning bolts ads button there is live right now on DEX Screener, which has helped them trend at number 9 on DEX Screener. This token was created on pump.fund, which is a web page for creating Solana meme coins. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. Today they're up 2,225%. So that's in the past 24 hours. Even in the past 6 hours, they're up 419%. Past hour, they're up 140%. It's just green across the board there. Like I said, their 24-hour trading volume is like around $207 million. They've had 330,249 transactions just today. Token price is 3.4 cents per token right now, and they have $1.6 million worth of liquidity in Radium. And according to DEX Screener, 99.93% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Their fully diluted valuation and market cap is both $33.6 million. So name of the token is StupidCoin, all one word, and ticker symbol is stupid. Now this token was created on Radium. The pair was created exactly 1 day ago. So that's how brand new this project is. Already has a bunch of central exchange listings. We'll go over that in a second. But right now they have 3,229 pooled SOL in Radium, which is equivalent to 23,474,000 pooled stupid tokens. Now this token has already had a community takeover as well. So there's a community takeover claim on DEX Screener. It says StupidCoin community takeover. A community claimed ownership for this token January 25th, which was yesterday, so basically right after it came out. It says the community took over this project to show Fred KRUEGER that we are indeed extremely stupid. Now it says Boomer Bitcoin Maxi Fred KRUEGER launched this on a stream as a joke and immediately abandoned it. We're going to show him just how stupid we really are. So, I mean, that's pretty funny. Now, they have their CTO Telegram link up there already. So, if you click on the Telegram, it takes you over to @StupidCTO portal. 658 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements, memes, all that fun stuff. And they did just get a couple new central exchange listings. I see on Gate, at the very bottom of their webpage, they have a Gate emblem. So most likely this token just got listed on Gate. And then I saw it also got listed today on XT Exchange or XT.com. And that's another way to get it. So if you don't have an XT account, You could download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your XT account with USDT. You then go into the trade section and search Stupid, and then simply just buy the token. Now, it got listed this morning, January 26th, 8:30 a.m. on XT, so it is available now in the innovation zone, it says. So one way to get it would be Gate, and that's linked on their webpage. Another way to get it would be on xt.com, and another way to get it would be on Radium. And even on their webpage, too, they have a link to Jupiter, which is another decentralized exchange. But there's definitely the biggest pool is on Radium, according to Deck Screener, with $1.7 million worth of locked liquidity. So if you're looking to get this token in a decentralized way, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, stupidcoinsol.com, or you can find it on Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, SoulScan, etc. You would trade your Sol for this token. And it says, it's simple, stupid. Now, on their webpage, it says, okay, this is a tweet from @DOT_Krueger. So this is Fred Krueger's Twitter, and he wrote, okay, class is over. We learned how meme coins were made. We made a stupid coin. We burned some of it. We sent a bunch to the people. Now stick to Bitcoin. You can't print it. Now it says Stupid Coin began as a tongue-in-cheek experiment by Fred Krueger, a Bitcoin maximalist who wanted to show the world how stupid meme coins are. He launched the Stupid token on pump.fun while streaming, burned some tokens, handed some out, and declared stick to Bitcoin. But what he didn't see coming was the community's response. Instead of fading away, the crypto crowd rallied around the token. Now, Stupid Token has become more than just a coin. It's a movement, a reminder that no one gets to decide what's stupid except the community itself. Together, we're here to show that this joke's only getting started, and the punchline might already be legendary. And then it says, see how it all began, and you can click on it, and it'll take you over to the tweets. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.